There's the one herb that doesn't just taste amazing. It actually boosts blood flow to your brain and helps sharpen your memory. It's rosemary. Let's look at why your brain loves this simple plant. 1. Rosemary improves brain circulation. It contains compounds that help widen blood vessels and increase circulation. That means more oxygen and nutrients reach your brain, which supports mental clarity and alertness. 2. It boosts memory and focus. Studies have shown that even the scent of rosemary can enhance memory and concentration. It's been used for centuries as a symbol of remembrance, and now science confirms the effect. 3. It protects your brain long-term. Rosemary is rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. These help protect your brain from oxidative stress and aging, which is essential for long-term cognitive health. 4. It may support mood and reduce mental fatigue. Some research suggests rosemary can lower cortisol and increase alertness, especially helpful during afternoon slumps or high-stress days. How to use it? Chop fresh rosemary into roasted veggies, sprinkle it over potatoes, or infuse it into olive oil. You can even make rosemary tea or inhale rosemary essential oil while you work. One small herb, big benefits for your brain. Want more everyday ingredients that quietly support mental performance? Check out our cinnamon video, a simple spice with major brain perks. If you enjoy brain hacks and food and drink benefits, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video from Smart Brain and Kitchen. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.